Gary Huppert, Product Manager at Federal Signal, and I'd like to introduce the Global Series Amplified Speaker System. It's a 15-watt speaker with 3 operating voltages. It's a 24-volt DC, a 120, and a 230-volt AC. It's got a gain control that allows you to drive the output from 0 to 100%. It's a 96 dB at 10 feet, 106 dB at 1 meter. The audio inputs is a 0.8 or a 2.8 volts RMS. They're all manufactured from GRP, which is an anti-static, impact-resistant, corrosion-resistant material. They carry a global certification for hazardous location, UL and CUL, Class 1, Div 2, and an ATEX IECEx, Zone 1 and Zone 21. As with the rest of the Global Series platform, every model is available in a D, flame-proof, or the DE, increased safety. They can all be surface mounted, or you can use the optional stainless steel adjustable U bracket. Each one is a standalone signaling device, or it can be used in conjunction with the rest of the platform to create multiple signal devices. This is just another example of the flexibility of the Federal Signal Global Series.